Hello, fellow Forex investors. Today's July 29th, 2015. It is Marcello here. You haven't heard from me on Monday or Tuesday as I was doing seminars earlier in the week. Sorry, I was not in communication about that. You can expect that I will be in communication from here going forward about what I do have to do when I do have to do seminars and that sort of thing. All right, guys, so here's what's so. We're looking at the euro dollar. And the euro dollar's dropped big time. Thank goodness for that, because we are in a sell trade. So it dropped 100 pips today, and it puts us right back in the money. And so we're looking for price to continue to drop. So what levels are we looking for on this in the market right now? Well, right now we're looking for 110.25 to sell. So, place a line at 110.25, look for a sell at that price point. The dollar Swiss, you can expect a 0.9630 buy. Okay, so we're going to look for price to come down, back down to the pod be strongest, and then it bounce right off of that level and continue to move up. Pound dollar. Now, the pound dollar yesterday, not to brag, but we called a very good call. We called 1.5675 for a sell. The market went right up to 1.5688, 13 pips away. Turned down, gave us a beautiful reversal candle, and then just honestly sold off very, very nicely. Okay, so we had a nice reversal candle. It was a doji here at the top and sell off right at 156.75, and we're currently at 155.96. So big 80 pip move down, and we're looking for more of a move down here on this pound dollar. So we're looking for 1.5655 for a sell at this point. If you're not currently in a sell, look for 1.5655. But you should be in a pound dollar sell. Aussie dollar, 0.7350. We're going to look for 0.7350 for a sell. Also a beautiful drop off of the Bollinger Midband, off of the 4-hour. Bollinger 50 EMA, the Bollinger 50 EMA. The 50 EMA on the 4-hour chart for the Aussie dollar. And we're going to expect price to get back to 75.50, 73.50, where we will sell from there. The New Zealand dollar. The New Zealand dollar is kind of tricky here. We have a beautiful reversal candle on the daily. We're looking for a sell off of that. But when we turn down to so if you look here on my daily chart, you see this beautiful reversal candle, and it looks like it's bouncing right off of areas of support and resistance from right where it is. But when we get down to lower time frames, we see that price is above that area that we're supporting it, that daily trend line supporting price. So we're kind of going to wait for price action to continue to confirm itself. But we got 67.55 just in case it does bounce off that, move to the upside. We have a very safe and conservative 0.6755 entry for a sell on the New Zealand dollar. Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD looks very good as well. We have a trend line on the daily chart that we're gonna follow here, and that gives us a 1.2890 buy. So 1.2890 buy on the dollar CAD. And our last trade that we'll be calling is on the pound yen. The pound yen we're going to call a sell at 193.80, and that's based off of areas of support and resistance, horizontal support and resistance that we've seen previously. So we're going to call it a sell at 193.80 on the pound yen. Guys, those are 7 trades that you can look for on those charts. We haven't had 7 trades in a long time, but that's the kind of market that we're currently in. Take advantage of it. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow, talking about how we've done, how we performed in the market. I'll talk to you then. All the best. Bye-bye.